good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today we about to get these seat belts in here and take this thing on another ride. Cause the rain's supposed to be on and off today, man. I don't know. So that's why I'm out here early, try to get it in, get the seat belts in the car. Then like I said, I'm gonna take it and let somebody else fool with the brake lights and all that, the wiring and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get this thing backed up. I already crunk it up, man. We fogging up. Knew it. We fogging up. Every time it come out the house, but I already got this thing. I had crunk it up already. I got to idle it back down, cause it was idling up yesterday, but I saw I had a vacuum off, so I got to idle it back down now and all that. I just noticed it, but we finna crank the bad boy up, man, and get it bagged up so I can work right here. And yeah, I'll just stay tuned. Alright, we got it all bagged up. Bad boy sounds so good, man. I can let this car run out of gas, listen to it. I'm telling you. Man, look at this. Look at this now. I'm telling y'all, boy, hey. All day. Sun was just out when I recorded it. So we're gonna have to deal with it. So I'm gonna try to make it do what it do, cause that's one reason I won't really drive this car. Them seat belts. So I'm gonna get this seat out. This is the most important one to me, cause I'm driving. Like I said, I can wait on that one, but I'm gonna go ahead and do them though. But they both in the same. Oh yeah, that's why I decided to record it. I can show y'all the bracket too. We can see how they did it when I take it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out. All right, got the driver's seat out. I might do the other seat later. I don't know, depending on how I'm feeling. I keep seeing these clouds, but yep, here go how they got fitted in the car. I see the brackets here. The Lawless Street cars did this. Number on the screen. Where the brackets, they bolt right down in the factory location. You got brackets down at the bottom. So you got to do some custom fab to get the 2013 Impala seats in. Cause see, they originally made to tilt in the floor. So really, if somebody wanted to put these back in the Impala again, they really could. You just have to cut that off, and they hook in the floor from the factory. So with the bracket right there, and they sit right in the factory spot, sit right on the factory studs or whatever. So now I'm finna peel this carpet back so I can see where I need to bolt my seat belt, where I need to cut the hole, cause I can't remember. I think it's right there. But we're gonna peel it back just to be on the safe side, cause I need the seat belts. Like I said, my plan, I wanted to see if somebody could cut this seat belt off of here, the factory seat belt off, and put the Impala seat belt on the roller, so I could use those buckles. Cause I got the Impala seat belts too, but I don't know if somebody can, like I said, cut that off and put the other one on the roller and change it so I had the right buckle on it. So if you know somebody that can do that, get at me, cause I sure would like to do it. I sure would. And probably gonna get it done. There's somebody out there that can do it. Cause look at that, these seat belts I had it. I want to use the Impala seat belts, but keep it in the door. So yep, let me I got my stuff in the trunk. And I'm ready to get some nitrous, man. I'm gonna get me some nitrous. I'm ready to try the nitrous out. I am ready to make a nitrous hit. It just sitting right there ready to go. I might go get some, man. I might go get some money. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some nitrous money. Then I hit up Jesse and see if he got time to do the timing or whatever, cause I'm right. Jesse close to me, y'all. He right here in town, so where I stay, close, so I can go over there to him. I can just boom boom, be done. So yep, I think I'm gonna paint these first right quick too. They're ugly, man. I'm finna go ahead and paint these. Then we're gonna get them in there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so we got the we got the buckle in. Like I said, I'm just gonna do this one for today, cause really it's gonna be a lot of solo riding, really, for right now. Cause my kids can't go in here, so cause the back seat, I'm gonna have to use them poly seat belts. Cause that's one other thing. This seat sits so much higher than a factory seat. The buckles already, the back buckles, seat belt buckles already back there, but they so short they won't reach up through there. Or what I thought about, you could probably find some of these, the front ones, since they so much longer, and make it work like that, and they'll probably come up through there. So I might do that. I might try that out. But say for now, it's gonna be solo riding, and when I go to the track, you got to have a seat belt. So I'm good to go. So I'm about to get this seat back in, and might try to ride it up the street or something, take it around the block before it start pouring down rain. So, and I gotta vacuum this thing out, man. I'm gonna get this thing clean, man. I'm just waiting till I get my rims on and start feeling with it. Then I'm gonna take it, get it clean and detailed and all that, like I said. And all this gonna be redone. I literally just did this stuff the way I did it to show people, hey, if you ain't got the budget to get interior done, make do with what you got. That's why I painted all this. Don't look the best, but if you've been following the series, you know this interior look way better than when I first got it. And it's a complete 360. Y'all can see some of the green coming through. They're just some of the things you have to go through when you go painting stuff instead of having it wrap. So yep, I will be getting the interior done though, the right way. I'm just doing it in budget trim for right now. Staying true to what I said. So yeah, let's get this old seat back in here. And gonna try to take it around the block. So y'all just stay tuned. So we about to got the seat belt in. About to go ahead and put the wheels back on. Cause man, I'm gonna try to drive this thing tomorrow. They having, not tomorrow, I'm tripping, today. Cause they having like a candlelight vigil for my boy Blow. So I want to try to drive it down now. Since he ain't never get a chance to see it in person. I'm gonna drive it down there with the wheels on and stuff. And whenever I get the alignment done, I just take them back off. Or better yet, I'm probably just gonna take it somewhere that can have a machine that can fit around the back and do it with the wheels on instead of taking them on and off. But the main reason I was trying to get the alignment, cause the car was driving crazy, but that wasn't what was causing it to drive crazy. It was cause I had two bad ball joints. Luckily, thank God they didn't break. So the old car took that suspension stuff on. So that's why the car was driving crazy. I meant to tell y'all that in yesterday's video that the car drives straight now, straight as an arrow. It just needed alignment. But you know, I'm finna get these 6s back on. And then we're gonna check back in. Alright, y'all, about to hit this other side and back. I always do the back first, cause I hate doing it. Just cause this car so low, you have to jack it up one side at a time to get the wheels on. You can't jack it up by the rear end, since the car tucked the back wheels. And when you jack it up one wheel at a time, the springs always come out. Uh-oh, I stopped recording, my bad. But I'm gonna roll this on some more. Go ahead and do it before the car get painted. Just hit it right there. That one rolled pretty good already. I already did the other side, I just didn't record. And mainly right there, that's the tight side of the wheel. Right here be pretty clear. It right here where it get tight. But I mean, it don't touch. But I like a little more clearance. Roll it up in there good. When you get painted, you'll be all good to go. Cause shoot, boy, you definitely won't want to do this out of the paint jar. That paint will peel. You don't want to do that. I don't want nobody hitting on my car. That's why you do all this before you get painted. So I'm gonna finish rolling it. I'm gonna roll that all the way up. Then we're gonna get the wheel on. Luckily that spring didn't fall out. I hope it stay like that. So y'all stay tuned. Well, look at this. I just had to run into a problem. Had to run into a problem. Same thing happened when we changed the ball joint. Stud started spinning inside the rotor. So now I gotta take the whole rotor off to put 2 studs in it, cause I can't put the wheels on with no 3 studs. That's crazy. This done turned into a job. Gotta take the whole damn rotor off. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I got back. I'm telling y'all, boy, I did not feel like doing it. You might as well be doing a brake change. So I guess I might as well show people that, I mean, if you don't know how to do it, it basically like change. This how you change the rotor too, and how you change the brakes, of course. But you take your 2 caliper bolts out right here. They right there. You take those 2 bolts out, and after that, you need a screwdriver. Well, mine might come loose. If not, you get a big screwdriver and you take this. You take your caliper. Take your caliper off. Definitely make sure keep up with your brakes. But man, look at that. Back just rested, boy. That was my if you saw, I did this new, man, but I don't ain't no way around it. You keep up with all that too, cause you're gonna need it. But that's why the brakes, man, brakes still good. But yeah, after that, then you take your dust cap off, and it's a big nut right here. I'm gonna use my impact socket. You take that nut out. It's a castle nut. It ain't tight, cause it's a cotter pin go through there. You take your cotter pin out, take your castle nut off, and then this whole rotor come off. It's really not a lot, but you gotta keep up with your bearings too. Make sure don't no dust get in those bearings, cause you don't want that. Gonna have a problem. But see, I just didn't want to take all that loose. I really didn't. It don't take long, but it wasn't on my agenda. Let's say that. It wasn't on my agenda today. So, and you make sure you have a brake tool too, cause you're gonna have to push that piston back in. So I'm finna get this thing off, change these studs real quick, and then get the wheels on. So stay tuned. Alright, got it finished, got the wheel on, all that good stuff. So we back on the 6s. I ain't even checked to see how I see. Look at that, tire sent straight up and down now. The wheel bearings. The wheel bearings had it all messed up. So it can use alignment though, but the wheels ain't leaning in all that like it was no more. But we got the 6s back on. But look, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Cloud all over too. So it finna thunderstorm. So it just, I hate that, man. That when that stud did that, and it wasn't, it just poor craftsmanship. That's all it is. That's all it is, cause when I use that impact, you gotta know how to set it, cause it will do some damage or whatever. So what happened when I went to I never used setting 3 on the impact, cause it really will. Boy, it tears some stuff up. But what I did when I went to take the wheel off, this whole stud started spinning in the rotor. So I already knew what time it was. I did that. So then I put it on setting 3 so I can twist it off and break it and get it out. So that's why it was broke, cause I had to. Brighten it up. Cause like I said, man, when I went to take it off, the whole stud started spinning in the rotor. And that's what happened last time when me and Rick were doing the ball joints. That's why I had one already I had to replace. So I guess I had to go ahead and do it anyway. But we good now. 6 are back on. I hate the cloud, man. Like I said, I was planning on driving this thing to the track, but that ain't gonna, the track ain't gonna happen for blow if it pour down and don't stop by that time. But I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. But if I do end up making it to the track and do that, I'll do a whole nother vlog for y'all. It'll be a separate video, cause right now it ain't looking good. It's ugly. But hey, I'm trying to keep y'all along the journey every step of the way with this car. We're going downhill. Got seatbelt in, so now I need to get them AC lines. I got to go get them AC lines made and get the brake light situated. They're my two priorities. Then I can really ride and get that window switch straightened out. So yep, that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I appreciate y'all coming by every day and watching. Catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.